Hey guys, a real quick walkthrough on how to install a dashcam on a Mazda 6. If you have a mirror like this in your Mazda 6, this process is going to be extremely simple. Tilt the mirror to the side and locate the connector on the back of the mirror. Go ahead and unclip this by pressing down on the tab and pulling straight out. Now, the real star of the show, this dongle dashcam adapter. It's a plug-and-play adapter that provides power to your dashcam without having to run cables through your entire vehicle. Let me show you how. Plug the dongle adapter into the vehicle's connector port, the other end into this end, and you'll be left with the USB port. You will notice a blue LED light up once you power up the vehicle. Let's go ahead and connect the USB cable to this and the other end to our dashcam. The dashcam turns on in seconds, and please note that your dashcam will turn on and off with the vehicle. Find a nice clean spot on your windshield to attach the dashcam to, and you are done. This has got to be one of the easiest ways to get a dashcam set up in your vehicle. So check out dongle today, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.